Oh, water. Water. Look at that. Gotta take a break for a second. I was talking to the camera. I'm talking to my phone. Giving me a weather alert. I'm about to drive over it, man. It's gonna work tomorrow. Yeah, it's gonna work Friday. I will take you. You cannot get that on. On the road. You can tell the difference, but the same color. Well, I have nightmares. Yeah. That one, yeah. That was another good. Look at this man. Driving through it. Well, slowly but surely. Look at that, Bruh. Well, that's blessed. That's it. Actually, there's a little bit on here.